Good morning, second graders. Today for math, you are going to be taking not a formal assessment, so not one that you come and pick up from school, and not one that I pass out, not a paper one, but we are still going to be taking a check-in. I just want to see where we are with money, how we're doing, maybe what we still need help with. So it is really important that when you take this, that you do not get help from your grown-ups. Now, your grown-ups can read or reread a direction to you, but they should not be helping you solve something, and they should not be reminding you of what coin is which, because then I know what your grown-ups know and not what you know. All right, so really, I know it's hard, especially if you feel stuck. You can get frustrated at your grown-ups for not telling you, but I really need you to hold to that, okay? I wouldn't give the kiddos who are in person the answers, so I hope that your grown-ups aren't going to give you the answers. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to press the link, and it's going to bring you to this page. So up at the top, you'll notice that it says 2M7 Money Check-In, quarter 2. That's the quarter that we're in. And we're doing this because, believe it or not, we need report cards again in January. And so I just want to see where we are so I know what to put on the report card. So I really want you to do your best. You may want to get a piece of paper and a pencil. It's very helpful to be able to write down things instead of just looking at your screen and trying to think of things in your head. Jot something down. Writing things down is a great tool and resource, especially in math. So if you complete this whole check-in without writing anything down, that worries me a little bit. Okay, I want you to use resources. You might have something that helps you at your house, not your grown-up. Okay, but pencil and paper definitely helpful. So why don't you go ahead and pause this, get that right by you so that when you're doing this, it's ready to go. All right, so again, it says, today we are going to be answering some questions about money. I already told you that. Do your best. Remember, I want to know what you know, not what your grown-ups know. Again, I already told you that. So very, very important, I want you to put your name, your first name, maybe even your last name. Then you're going to be answering some questions. Some are multiple choice, meaning you'll choose the answer from several choices, and some you will have to write in the answer. Now remember, this is money, so when you write in your answer, you're going to need to remember to use the dollar sign or the cent symbol to show that, and also the decimal point if it's more than $1. Okay, so here's the first question. I'm going to go through all the questions so you know what it's asking, and then I'll send you on your way to complete it. I need you to complete it by the end of this today so I can look at it. All right, so it says, what is the name and value of this coin? So here's the coin, and then here are the 4 choices. Is this a penny equal 1 cent? Is this a nickel, 5 cents? Is this a dime, 10 cents? Or a quarter, 25 cents? So you're going to pick one of these choices, and you'll do that just by clicking it, okay? Whatever the right answer is. All right. I can't unclick it, so. All right, the next, same question. What is the name and value of this coin? So you're going to look at this coin, and then you're going to either pick penny, nickel, dime, or quarter. Then here, what is the name and value of this coin? Is this a penny? Is this a nickel? Is this a dime, or is this a quarter? And then last but not least, what is the name and value of this coin? Is it a penny, 1 cent, a nickel, 5 cents, a dime, 10 cents, or a quarter, 25 cents? So those are done with that kind of question. Now you're going to need to add up some amounts together. This is the kind of thing that maybe it would be helpful to get some paper, and you can jot down the values of each coin and then add it up on paper before you choose your answer. So I see that I have 3 different kinds of coins. All of these have different values. So you're going to add up all these coins and tell me, does this picture equal 14 cents, 60 cents, 42 cents, or 52 cents? Okay. Same thing with here. You're going to count the money that's in this picture, and then you're going to tell me, does all this money together equal $1.63, $1.18, $2, or $1.33? Okay, then this is a part where you're going to have to type in the answer. So it's not multiple choice. You're going to need to press on this box and you're going to type in what the correct answer is. So it says, how much does the Snicker bar cost? So I see a picture of the Snicker bar, and then all this money down here is how much the Snicker bar costs. Okay, so you will type in the cost of the Snicker bar. Same thing with this chocolate milk. Okay, I have a gallon of chocolate milk. This money below is how much this costs. And you will type in the answer. All right, and then here we are. It says, I reach into my pocket and pull out some coins. How much money do I have? So I don't pull out 1 quarter, 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 1 penny. This number that is above each of the coin tells you how many of that coin I pulled out. So this for sure would be a great problem to use that pencil and paper. It would be a good idea to draw this out to help you figure it out, to not just hold it all in your head, because holding it in your head can end up getting confusing, and then sometimes you lose track. So this way, if you write it down, you're able to see your thinking and make adjustments or make some changes based on what you see on your paper. All right. Then the last question, here is your coin up here. This is what you're going to be comparing the answers to. So it says, which picture shows the same amount as the coin below? So think about, what kind of coin is this? What is the value of this coin? And then I want to know which one of these pictures equals the same thing as this. So this is a value. And then I want to know, does this value equal this? Does the value of the picture B equal this? Or C? And then when you're all done, you will press submit. All right. I hope you are feeling good about this. Remember, do your best, try your hardest. You must submit it today, Friday, and good luck.